Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a love of somebody who needs you. You're lost out there and you're all alone.
All right, folks. Remington, F Remington, start letter A. Good breath, right? Every 4 measures. 1, 2, ready? Chop builders, please. All right, everybody, let's get up our chop builders. Choose your option. I'm going to be playing 3A right now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, chop builders. 1, 2, ready? Hello, folks. B-flat scale. That's what we're working on right now. Your concert B-flat scale is in the back of your blue books. If you want to go ahead and take a look there, or you can look at the major scale sheets that you have in your binders. We're just going to go do quick sizzle / mouthpiece play. Sizzle, mouthpiece, play, sizzle, mouthpiece, play with all 3 components of this. So let's just go ahead and sizzle or mouthpiece if you're a brass player, the major scale, just that part, no arpeggio yet. Ready? 1, 2, ready? Good. Now, if you sizzle mouthpiece, play it with us. Ready? 1, 2, ready? arpeggio, sizzle mouthpiece. 1, 2, ready. If you struggled with that, go back and do it again. If not, play it with us. Arpeggio, 1, 2, ready. And thirds, sizzle mouthpiece, then play. Ready? Thirds, 1, 2, ready. All right, and play it. Ready? 1, 2, ready. Something that's great about the YouTube feature is that you can go to the settings wheel in the bottom corner and you can make that slower so that you can sizzle along at a slower tempo and play along at a slower tempo. Okay, so go back and do that if you struggle with that. Mr. Hurd's going to do a little bit of a tidbit about clarinet fingerings, and then we're going to play horn and clarinet 2 octaves after that. So if you play any other instrument, don't worry about it, move on to the next thing. If you play clarinet or horn, stick around.
First thing is, we're just going to do the scale part. I don't think we're going to do the second octave and anything else, but all the fingerings still apply. But the clarinet second octave is all the same letters in a row. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. But the fingerings are a little bit different. I'm going to zoom in here. Check it out. Your first note is the same as your highest note in the previous version of the scale. It's thumb, register, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and bip. When you go up to the note D, you lift your pinky up, and it's just thumb, register, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you go up to the note E, you lose another finger. So it's just thumb, register, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when you go up to F, lose another finger, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. G is thumb, 1, 2, 3. And then A is thumb, register, 1, 2. B is thumb, register, 1. And then finally, high C is just the thumb and the register key. And that sounds like this. Oh, I'm sorry. And then to do it back down, you just go the opposite way and put one finger down at a time. And that's it.
And French horns, I'm going to tell you 2 different types of fingerings. So we have the single horn fingerings, which some of you have, and we have double horn fingerings. So we have your high C, right? You know high C. This is single horn. Open. High D, open. High E, open, right? You're playing like this. Same fingering, just a different note. You're playing higher. And then high F on the horn. First finger for single horn. For double horns, we're going C, D is thumb 1, 2, E is thumb and 2, and then high F is just thumb open. Okay, so high D is going to be thumb 1, 2, high E, thumb 2, high F, thumb open. And you can start, what you can do is you can start on the very bottom note, which me and Mr. Herder are going to do, and we're going to go all the way up to the top note and back down. So we're going to do 2 octave scales. So you can slow this down and do it with us, okay?
Start on the lowest, and then you start back at the beginning of the scale again on the high one. Here we go. Off your count, Mr.
Okay.
Kugel.
1, 2, ready. All right, kids, let's get ready to work. Put away your stuffed animals, get out your rhythm charts, and let's go. Time for band. All right, let's look at chart 12, line number 6. We have a very common 16th note rhythm in this. Where's my marker? There it is. We see a lot of these folks. We've been doing this the last couple weeks, right? We have one and that's the rhythm we're looking at. The way it breaks down, right, in our 16th notes is we tie the first two 16th notes together, okay? One E, little E, and right? One and all right? Okay, let's look at how to count this. Remember, pause the video at any point if you need to review the counts or write them in, okay? We got a big 1, big 2, and big 3 and, big 4 and Pause the video if you need to write that in. Next measure, 1 and 2, big 3 and big 4 and all right? Next measure, measure 3 of chart 12, line 6, we got a big 1, 2, 3 and, big 4 and then last measure of chart 12, line 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and big 4. I'll get out of the way so you can pause the video and write this in. It's my best Vanna White impression from the Wheel of Fortune, if you know what that is. All right, moving on. Let's count this first measure here, just the first one. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and one more time. Ready and go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and good. Okay, next measure. 1, 2, count it, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and one more time. Ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and good. Next measure. 1, 2, measure 3, count, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and one more time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and last measure 2. Count it, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Okay, we're going to do the whole line. If this is too much, I would like you to leave a comment in the Google form at the end of the video that says that this was too much for you to do all at once, okay? So here is the whole line. Count it. 1, 2, ready, count. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If you had trouble with that, go back and do it again. Sizzle, sizzle. 1, 2, ready, go. If you need to sizzle again, go back in the video. Play it. 1, 2, play it. Ready, go. All right, everybody's going to play it one more time. I'm going to play it on the drill. Ready? 1 and 2, play it one more time. Go. All right, great job. On to the next thing. Okay, 7th grade, this is number 18, Skill Builder. It is one of your tests, so I recommend that you practice this one thoroughly. This will be on today's video as well as on Friday's video, and I will upload a play-along video on Classroom so you can practice it on your own time if you'd like. All right, let's get started. First, we have in your key signature, right, B flat, E flat, A flat. That is for flute, oboe, low brass, and percussion, right? So we have B flat, E flat, A flat, 3 flats. That is the same as your concert what major scale? Correct. E flat, concert E flat major scale. Good job. Low E flat flutes. All of your fingers but your pinky, okay? But your left pinky. If you play it without your first finger, it will not come out. Okay, practice that a few times. Make sure we're playing A flats, those people. Third position, first finger, right? Thumb 1, 2, 3, pinky flutes. Thumb 1, 2, 3, pinky oboe. All right. Next we have the 2 flat people, 2 flat club. That is French horns, only French horns. You got 2 flats there: B flat, E flat, B flat 1, E flat 2. Okay. We have a high. No, it's all low. Right. Okay. And then we have the 1 flat club, that is the trumpet, clarinet, tenor sax, and bass clarinet. Those people have 1 flat. That flat is B flat. Clarinets, notice all of this is low, starting on low F, okay, and using your first finger B flat, right? Trumpets, you're using first finger B flat, and tenor sax B flat, you know that one, use your bis key. And we have the alto saxophones with no flats, no sharps. You are in concert E flat, your C. You have F naturals, right? Make sure we're playing those F naturals. All right. One more thing you see there at the top left, it says Allegro. Allegro means what? Fast. Good. Okay, Allegro means fast. We're not going to go that fast right now, but my play-along video might be a little faster than our tempo today. Notice the staccatos. Okay, we have staccatos, and notice the crescendos and decrescendos. In order to get 100%, you need to be doing those, okay? All right, let's go through it. Let's start playing, okay? Find your line on the paper, and let's roll, all right? So we're gonna go very slow. Let's do 2 notes, all right? And I'm going to play it twice. I want you to note name and then play, okay? 2 notes. Ready? 1, 2, 2 notes. Go. Again. Ready? Go. One more time. Go. Play it. Ready? Go. Great. 4 notes. Note name. Ready? Go. Again, go. Again, go. Play it, go. One more time, go. Great, next 4 notes. We're going to go ahead and do all 4 of those notes. Note name, next 4, ready? It's these ones, these notes. Ready? And 1, 2, note, name, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Good, play it. 2, ready, and go. Again, ready, go. Good, okay, back up and go through that again if you have to. Now, if you don't, let's play the whole first measure. Brass, I want you to mouthpiece. Ready? Whole first measure, brass mouthpiece, woodwind sizzle. 1, 2, first measure, go. Notice my first dynamic is piano, mezzo piano. Again, brass mouthpiece, woodwind sizzle, ready, go. Got a crescendo through that. Okay, everybody play it. 1, 2, first measure, play it, go. One more time. Ready? Go. Next measure, we have staccato, staccato, half note, and we have to get to forte, right? Okay, flutes, you are excused from the dynamics for this one. It's difficult for you, okay? All right, next measure, measure 2. Play it. 1, 2, measure 2, play, go. One more time. Ready, go. All right, everybody play the first 2 measures. Play them twice. 1, 2, first 2, ready, go. One more time. 2, ready, go. Great, next measure. Let's just do 4 notes of that measure, okay? Actually, if you look at it, you already know how to play those 4 notes because those 4 notes in measure 3, the first 4 in measure 3 are same as the second 4 in measure 2. First 4 in measure 3, same as the second 4 in measure 2. So you know what? Let's just go ahead and play it. Ready? And first 4 of measure 3. 1, 2, play it, go. Again, go. One more time, go. Okay, so notice that I'm decrescendoing. Next 4 notes in that measure, let's go ahead and note name, okay? Last 4 notes, measure 3. Last 4 notes, measure 3, note name. 2, ready, and go. Again, go. One more time, go. Good. Brass, mouthpiece, woodwind, sizzle. Ready, go. Oh, crap. Sorry. Do it again. Ready, go. Okay, play it, everybody. Let's do that whole measure. Actually, no, just play those, and then we'll do the whole measure. Play the last 4 notes of measure 3. 2, ready, and go. Good. Play all of measure 3. Ready, go. Good. Look at the first ending, everybody. Note name the first ending. Rhythm, super easy. Staccato, not friends. They need space. Okay. The 4th measure, which is the first ending. Okay. Note name. 2. Ready, go. Play it. 2. Ready, go. Good. Brass or trumpets, B flats, first finger. Clarinets, B flats, first finger. Tuba, A flat, first finger. Baritone, A flat, first finger. Trombone, A flat, third position. French horn, E flat, second finger. Make sure you're doing that. All right, first 4 measures. Let's do all of those. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's learn the second ending first. Okay. Second ending, easy. Everybody look at the second ending. Note name. 2, second ending, go. Play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Some of your notes go up, some of your notes go down. Depends on your instrument, okay? All right, roadmap really quick. We start with measure number 1, 2, 3, 4, back to 1, 2, 3, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, okay? Let's sizzle the whole thing and mouthpiece the whole thing and then play it, and then we are good to go. All right, everybody, sizzle. Ready? And 1, 2, sizzle, go. All right, brass mouthpiece, woodwind sizzle if you have to, okay? And beginning, 1, 2, ready, go. I'm going to play that one more time, a little faster, okay? Try to keep up. Ready? Ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum. 1, 2, play, ready, go. Alright, and here's the written tempo. Just for your knowledge. Ready? 1, 2, ready? Alright, if you play it at that speed, then maybe whenever we come back to school, I'll make you an extra cookie. Okay. Alright. Good job. That will be on Friday's lesson as well. Okay. So just do your best today and then maybe practice a little bit and do it again on Friday.